Cardano is on track for a 2.7% increase by April 18, CoinCodex shows. We'll start with how things are shaping up on the chart today. Cardano has posted a gain of 2% over the past day and sits near $0.2543. It's time for expert takes on the market. CoinCodex expects the chart to show $0.2615 by April 18, a gain of roughly 2.7%. CoinLore indicates Cardano might approach $0.2562, representing a gain of 0.6%. According to TradesUnion, it may head down towards $0.252, about 1.1% down. A different forecast from Digital Coin Price highlights the possibility of Cardano dipping to $0.2485, marking a decline of 2.4%. Finally, Cryptonization sees $0.2429 by tomorrow, 4.6% down. This is the most profitable forecast among all those reviewed. That's all 5 opinions on tomorrow. Let's see what's next. With all 5 predictions in mind, let's look at the numbers. Based on the forecasts, the price could move between a decrease of 4.6% and a rise of 2.7%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Cryptonization is expected to post the highest return with 4.6% growth in value by April 18. By the look of it, you could make between $6 and $46 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, CoinLore's forecast is the most dependable, with a 91.1% chance of success. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. Consensus levels highlight Cardano around $0.2522. Here's the detailed picture. The consensus view suggests a 1% dip by tomorrow. Simply put, your capital could also expand by around 1% as a reflection of that change. With 1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $10. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 89.4%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. CoinCodex describes the near-term outlook as bullish. According to CoinLore, price performance will remain muted, offering no sharp moves. TradesUnion expects Cardano to decline steadily. Likewise, Digital Coin Price sees Cardano trending lower. Additionally, Cryptonization expects a bearish continuation. The consensus stance reflects a weaker picture, pointing to Cardano trending lower. Bringing together the forecasts, the majority anticipate Cardano softening. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now it's time for some fact-checking. In the end, the day's last trade was around $0.2591. 4 out of 5 analysts were correct about the trend. Closest forecast to the actual move came from Cryptonization. Let's put all the pieces in place. Only 1 forecast landed inside the actual daily move. Looking at ROI, a few forecasts were in the green, and Digital Coin Price achieved a top return of 7.9%. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. For comparison, Cryptonization reached 2.5% ROI and accuracy. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Now let's see how Cardano ranks among other assets based on their forecasted returns for tomorrow. Cardano isn't on top in this comparison since Litecoin currently leads with 1.3% potential growth. For now, we're comparing Cardano with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison and analyst statistics will soon be available on my website and Telegram. If I manage to save you some time today, a quick like would be the best feedback. Take it easy. See you next time.